Hi, my name is Louise and the article which I am presenting is Methods and Ethical Considerations of Pitfall Trapping for the Western Pygmy Possum, with observations on capture patterns and nest sites. The main objective of this study was to investigate capture methods in order to establish the most efficient, practical and ethical methods for capturing Western Pygmy possums to the exclusion of non-target species. To do this, pitfall depth, drift netting and shelter use in pitfalls were investigated. Also examined were the effects of season on capture success and the characteristics of nest sites of the Western Pygmy possum. Pitfall trapping is one of the most common methods for surveying small mammals and reptiles. However, few studies have been done to test the effectiveness of pitfall traps, particularly in relation to pitfall depth. If some small animals can jump, the pitfall depth should be a critical consideration for capture success and species exclusion. The study was conducted in Innes National Park at the southern tip of the Yorke Peninsula in South Australia. 84 traps were installed along 8 trap lines, 7 along the Inniston Fire Track and 1 opposite the Inniston Lake. Pitfall traps were 31 and 39 cm deep PVC buckets with a diameter of 29 cm. All pitfall lines consisted of 12 pitfall traps 10 metres apart, except for lines 4 and 7, which only had 6 pitfall traps due to geological features preventing more traps being installed. All 8 sites were trapped for 2,606 trap nights, resulting in 113 captures of 8 vertebrate species, of which Western Pygmy possums consisted of 69%. While the trap depth did not significantly affect the capture rate of Western Pygmy possums, it did affect the rate of mice being caught. This is important for reducing the number of non-target animals being caught for ethical reasons. 35 to 38 cm high drift net fencing was erected over half the length of trap lines 1, 2 and 3 and over the entire length of trap line 8. The results from the use of drift line nets for the Pygmy possums did not conclusively show whether their presence helped or hindered the capture rates. However, it did show that it is possible to capture Western Pygmy possums without drift lines. 2 studies done on the nest sites of Western Pygmy possums in 2 separate habitat types show conflicting results. One study found that Pygmy possums nested exclusively in hollows, and the other found that they were predominantly on the ground or in banksia inflorescences. In order to investigate the characteristics of the nest sites, fluorescent tags were attached to the captured Pygmy possums using medical skin bond. This allowed the possums to be tracked after release to their nesting sites. This study showed that the Western Pygmy possum will utilise different nesting sites depending on what habitat they are in and what is available. Half the captured Pygmy possums used the artificial shelters provided at the bottom of the pitfall traps. It was found that they preferred narrow shelters such as transparent tubing. There was a difference in capture rates between the seasons, with the number of captured animals going down in the winter months. This could be due to the cooler temperatures inducing torpor in the Pygmy possum. This study shows that to exclusively capture Western Pygmy possums, shorter pitfall traps should be used, with or without drift net lines. Artificial shelters should be supplied at the bottom of the pitfall trap, and high capture rates occur during the summer.